Module 1 BESK 508 Q1. What is an ecosystem? A group of organisms of the same species. B. A biological community interacting with its physical environment. C. A single species population. D. A group of biomes interacting. Answer B. A biological community interacting with its physical environment. Q2. Which of the following is not a component of ecosystem sustainability? A. Energy flow. B. Natural resources. C. Biodiversity. D. Plastic waste. Answer D. Plastic waste. Q3. What are the two main components of an ecosystem? A. Plants and animals. B. Biotic and abiotic components. C. Land and water. D. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. Answer B. Biotic and abiotic components. Q4. In the food chain, which organisms occupy the first trophic level? A. Carnivores. B. Herbivores. C. Producers. D. Decomposers. Answer C. Producers. Q5. Which ecosystem is characterized by low rainfall and extreme temperatures? A. Forest ecosystem. B. Desert ecosystem. C. Wetland ecosystem. D. Riverine ecosystem. Answer B. Desert ecosystem. Q6. Wetlands are important for A. Storing carbon. B. Supporting biodiversity. C. Flood control. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Q7. Which of the following ecosystems is the largest on Earth? A. Forest. B. Oceanic. C. Desert. D. Riverine. Answer B. Oceanic. Q8. The SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, are a set of how many global goals? A. 10. B. 15. C. 17. D. 20. Answer C. 17. Q9. Which of the following is one of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals? SDGs. A. Clean water and sanitation. B. Increased industrial pollution. C. Deforestation. D. Unregulated mining. Answer A. Clean water and sanitation. Q10. What is the primary aim of SDG Goal 13? A. Life below water. B. Quality education. C. Climate action. D. Zero hunger. Answer C. Climate action. Q11. Which of the following is not a component of the environment? A. Atmosphere. B. Hydrosphere. C. Lithosphere. D. Internet. Answer D. Internet. Q12. The biosphere includes A. Only the land part of Earth. B. All living organisms and their interactions with the physical environment. C. Only water based life forms. D. Outer space. Answer B. All living organisms and their interactions with the physical environment.